Did you have started Scratch? If not, go immediately and start Scratch. In lesson 2, we will create Catch the Donut. You will learn basic movements of sprites, X position, Y position, and how to create variables. So let's start lesson 2. The game Catch the Donut. Be careful. The ghost will eat you. Your life is 3. Wow, you eat one donut. Another one. Oh my god, the ghost eat you. Again the ghost eat you. You eat one donut. Again one donut. Again the ghost eat you.
When you log into Scratch, this page will come. We will go to the create project to create the new project. Let's wait for a few seconds rather. We are at the home page. Now, Anandi, what the characters we need?
We need cat, one donut, and one ghost.
Also, we need a backdrop. Let's choose one backdrop. This one will be good. Okay. Now, place the cat here. And we need to move the cat forward. And we need to move the cat backwards. Let's give a name.
Kitty.
Okay. And make it the size a bit smaller. Let's do it 70. Okay. Now, to move a cat, we need a block move 10. Now, when it will move right side, when you press key, right arrow key. So, bring the block when key pressed and change it to right arrow. Okay. But before moving, you need to face one direction, and that direction we can bring from pointing direction. What will be the direction? It will be on the right side. And we will attach this block. Now let's see what happened. See, I am pressing the right key, it is moving. Now we need to move backward also. It's not moving because I have not added the block. Let's add one more move block.
We will go to events.
To bring the key press block. And we will put it left arrow. And another pointing direction block. But this time it will be on the left side. Now let's see what happened. Now pressing the left arrow. Oh, the cat turns this direction. This is not good. We need to fix this.
Yes.
We need to do something. We need to set rotation start. And it should be left right. Okay. So now see what happened. See? And to moving right this. So the cat is done. And when my game start, I want my cat to be placed at this location. So I will bring one block, go to this position. And when it will go to this position? When the program will start. And how should we code that? Using the block when
green flag is
clicked. Very good. See, I will putting my cat anywhere. Now let's start the game. Cat is here and we can move. Okay? Okay. So now let's bring the donut. It will be another sprite. It will be in the food. This one. Let's make it a small. Make it 50. Okay. Now we need to program such a way the donut will come from the sky. Sky means from here. It will come like this. It will come like this. Randomly donut will come like this. So when the flag is clicked, I want my donut to be in this line. But it can be here, it can be here, it can be here, it can be anywhere horizontally. But vertically it will be in this position. So for that we need a block called set y. What is that?
It is in motion.
Okay. Set y. See? Set y is this line. Y means it is the vertical position.
We will give 173, but it is given already.
And we will also set the x. Okay. So now we want x to be anywhere between this line. For that you need to get random values. How will you get random values?
We will go to operators and pick random.
And what will be the random number? It will be from this position, and that is minus 206. So we'll put minus 206 here, and it will be up to this position. So it will be 222. Okay, let's test. See, it can be anywhere. It can be anywhere. Okay, so it is done. Now we need to bring this donut down. So for that we need to point in direction in the below. So it will be in the
motion.
Where is the point in direction?
In motion.
Okay. Okay.
We have to set it down. We have to set 180.
Very good. And now what we'll do? We will
take set rotation style. There is left right. We do not take left right. We will take do not rotate.
Now we need to bring it down. For that we need to add the block move block.
10 steps.
Okay, and we want some delay in between. So we will put some wait block.
We will put 0.05. You can put your choice.
Okay. Okay. See, let's see what happened. Okay. See, it's created random position and it's moving 10 steps, but only moving 10 steps. So we need to repeat these two things so that the donut come below. For repeating all through your program,
we will take forever.
And we'll put these two inside the forever block. Let's see. Okay, but it is not coming back. So
for this we need if then.
So that when it reaches here, that is 1 what is 158 or something. Okay, position is 154. So when it goes to 154, it will again come back to the top position.
For this, we have to go to motion and take Y position.
Okay.
Motion is in the up.
Okay, very good.
And there is Y position.
If Y position is less than that number, for that you need to compare. For compare, you need a number block from operator. We will put this in the if block. Now we put the Y position.
And then the number will be minus 171.
It can be 154 also.
Yes.
Let's try. And when this will happen, it will move to the
random position
and set the Y to the 173 so that it can go to stop. Okay, and what is the go to random position, so that X position will be random. Let's try it. See, it's coming. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. It should be X, not Y.
It should be Y.
It should be Y. 173. Let's check it. See? It looks like lots of donuts are coming from the top.
Yes.
Isn't it good?
Yes, it is very good.
Let's move forward.
Now we will program on ghost.
No, let's wait. Cat need to eat the donut.
Yes.
So for that, what you will do? You will need to program when the cat will collide with the donut. So how will do that? That you will do using a sensing block where we have a block called touching. Okay, and these need to be put in a condition. When the cat will touch the donut, something will happen. So you need a if block. And if block, the condition will be touching the kitty. We are programming donut. So donut will touch the kitty. And we want this to be happen all throughout the program. So it will be placed under the flag. Okay. So now when the donut will touch the kitty, we want a sound.
Like chomp.
Okay. So if it touching the kitty, let's play a sound.
You can record your voice also.
Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So let's put some weight before the
chomp.
Okay. And
we wait 0.03 seconds. It is in control.
Okay.
We'll be here.
And all these we want throughout the program. So it should be under
forever.
Okay.
Can you hear the voice, Tom? It is stomping.
Whenever the donut touches the cat, or else you can say cat, it is eating the donut. There is a sound. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Okay. So now, Anandi, when you are eating the donut, you need to increase the score, right?
Yes.
How you will give a score?
We will go to variables and there is an option make a variable. We will click on it and there is one thing for all sprites. For this sprite only.
We will choose for all sprites
All
and we will give this name as score. It will record your score. And when the game starts, you need to set the score to 0. So we will put that set
score.
Change it to score and put it 0. When it will increase? When the cat eats
the donut.
So when in the donut score, when it's touching the kitty, the score will increase
by 1.
Okay, let's test. So I'm going to eat the donut. Let's go. The score is not increasing. I did some mistake. I didn't change the variable. Let's see.
Can you see the score is getting higher?
See?
It is changing by 1. Means 1 is adding one time only.
Okay. So now we need to bring one ghost. Let's add on sprite. Okay, so let's bring one ghost. Okay, we'll bring this one. Okay. Okay, one thing we need to program here for the donut. When the cat eats the donut,
it will again come from any place, from any
random position.
Random position. It is in motion.
Okay, let's put here.
And we will put pointing direction.
Okay.
And it will go down 180.
Okay, let's check it. So I'm clicking the flag. Let's forget the ghost. We have not programmed it yet. See? When the donut is eaten, it is coming again from the random position. If we do not put the block, nothing will happen. It will again come from the top. But just to make sure your program goes smooth and sync, you need to do it. Now we need to program the ghost. Now see, almost ghost will behave like same. Ghost will also come from the sky. It will come randomly. It can come from anywhere.
Yes.
So the same block will be coding under ghost. Same block what we have in donut. Okay. So let's drag it and
when the ghost shakes, you can see the block has gone from the donut to the ghost.
okay, so that is done. So okay, just click here, drag this whole block, and
when the ghost shakes, you will leave the mouse.
this is the shortcut. Or else you can go to the ghost and you can do the same thing. So we have told a shortcut. Let's make the ghost a bit smaller so that the cat cannot see it. So This is okay?
But where is the cat?
Here is the cat.
It's got hidden.
Yes. Now we'll make some other costume to the ghost. If you want to change the costume, select the sprite
And go to
costume.
costumes.
And change it to this costume. Or you can do one thing. In Ghost, you can change the costume by putting that change costume control.
It looks.
Okay, you can put this switch costume or change costume and under this pack.
Or next costume.
Yeah, we want this costume is not changing. Ghost will remain the same picture. So it will be having the same costume throughout the program. So we are not changing it. Okay. So the ghost is also programmed to have from the sky and randomly it is coming. Okay. Let's see. See. So what we do, we just change this position for the ghost. Let's make it 150.
150.
Let's make it speedy. So make it 15. Let's make it
0.03.
so that it can come very fast. Let's check. See, the ghost is coming very fast. If I go to donut, it will kill you. Oh yes. Oh no. So another part you need to program when the ghost hit the
cat, your life will be -1.
How can you set the lives? You need a variable again. So this block that we use for the donuts, we can use the same blocks for the ghost by changing some necessary things. Okay. So let's again copy this code to the donut. What we'll do, we'll click here,
And
don't release the mouse, drag it to the ghost.
when the ghost shakes, you will release the mouse.
Is it copied? No.
No.
Let's do it again. Yes, it is copied.
Here is the block.
Copied on the top of this. So let's clear it. So here ghost, the program will be same. If it's touching the kitty, play a different sound. Okay, so let's bring one sound. We can bring sound from here. Okay. So for that, we'll click on the ghost, go to the sound block, and we'll add on sound. Click on choose a sound, and
There is many options.
okay, you can change anything. You can take one anything.
No, it is not looking nice. I want to have it cat sound. For this, we will go to animals. I think so. And choose male 2. Can you hear the voice?
So we'll put the sound here.
Now 2.
Now we need to change one thing. We need to create another variable.
That is live. We will go to make a variable and write live.
It will be same for all the sprites. And initially we will set it to 3.
3.
And each time ghost is touching the kitty,
It will be -1.
it will decrease by -1, my dear. So if you hit for the first time, it will become 1, from 3 to 2, then become 1, then become 0. Now what if the life becomes 0.
We will end the game.
Okay, so we'll end the game, right?
Yes.
For that, we'll bring one level like game over.
Game over.
It will come only when the lives become
Lives become 0
okay
of each.
of kit. Yeah. So we'll not have a ready-made sprite. We just draw it. So we'll click on the sprite, go to paint. Okay. So let's bring one. Make it simple. Bring one rectangle. Then make it a red color. Now put one red color text. No, it is become red color. Sorry. Let's make it green. Okay.
Now we will write the letters. What will be the color of the letters? It will be red.
We'll write game over.
You will write on your keyboard. It will come game over.
Make it big. Put it in the middle. Okay, that is enough. Let's
Now
do
we
the
are
coding.
for this.
Initially, when the program start, we will hide it.
Hide it. The hide block will be in loops. Go down and you can see hide.
And when we show it, again we click one flag clicked. Now when the lives become 0, so you need a if block.
Block is
That if block should be put under a forever
forever.
because it will
Then we will say
do entire life of the program. So make it hide. So now in this if block, the condition will be when the life equal to 0. For that,
that we need to go to operators and take is equal to box is equal to 50.
we'll make it 0 and we'll put the variable here, lives variable. What we'll do? This sprite will be shown, that is show variable, and everything in the game will stop.
When the game overs, every sprite will stop. For this, we need to go to control and take control, and we need to take stop all. Means all will stop.
Okay, let's start. So game is ready. We'll try it. So we have used two variables. Score, it will be set to 0 when program will start, and it will increase as the kitty hits the donut. Another variable is lives. It is set to 3 and it will decrease when the ghost hit the kit. And this game over will come when the lives equal to 0. Otherwise it will not come, it will always be hidden. Let's see on the big screen. I do not want donut. Oh. Okay. Open means to tell. What's that? How you will save your game? what you have done to save that work, you need to go here and name this game.
We will name it Catch the Donut.
Sorry. We'll name it Catch Donut. Any name you can give. Then
Catch the Donut.
press enter. And next time if you want to open it, you should go to there. Click here. And you can see all your stuffs here. All your stuffs. If you want to play, just click here. It will open the playing page.
Yes.
You can add any instruction how to play the game here, and you can share this game with your friends. You can play from here. If you want to see the coding, click here. It will take you to the
Inside.
project page. You can change the project from here. You can change anything. You can bring another ghost. You can bring another food like apple. You can do anything from this.
Apple, cake, burger, french fries.
Anything. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.